Hello viewers, hope you all doing good, and this is our third video about the S4HANA project types. And in the first video we have talked enough about business requirements, what is system landscape, and about the deployment approach. And also we talked what are the types available in SAP S4HANA project types. And in the second video we talked about implementation project, what are their objective and what are the types under this implementation project, like greenfield, brownfield and bluefield, and what are the activities and what are the outcomes, and with some examples we have seen in the last video. And now we'll jump into the rollout project. So the objective of this project is to extend an existing template to new countries, regions or business units. So when we go for this rollout project is when a company that already uses SAP S4HANA in one country, a region or a business unit wants to extend the existing global template to other countries, subsidiaries or business unit. So this is instead of building the system from the scratch, like in implementation project, the core process configuration and developments, that is that we call it as template or reused. This is mainly for reusing and then adjusted to meet that local business, what are the legal things they are following and the statutory requirements. So this here they apply the global template to local entities. That means template reuse. The global design like master data and processes are already available. Just they implement according to the local entity. So next is the localization, that is the tax law, statutory reporting, local languages or adjusted or made for country specific tax laws according to what the languages are using in that localization, and compliance, what are all needed in that place. So next is the data migration for local operation. This migration is to identify what data is required for the local operation. For example, the local customers or what the local vendors they having, local materials about the employments and bank accounts. These are all migrated is to we have to identify and migrate that data to that local operation. And under this data migrations they also do the data cleansing, that to remove duplicates or correct errors and standardized values, all done under this data migration. That means the duplicate customer records are deleted while doing migration. So then they will do the validation and reconciliations. That means they verify that migrated data matches the legacy data. So next is the testing and training for the local teams. Here the testing is done in unit testing, integration testing, user acceptance testing, and also regression testing is done in this. So basically, so these testings are done to ensure that global template processes are not broken due to local adjustment. So and the training for local teams, they have to they have to understand how to use this global template systems adapted for their operation. In which training approach they done is train the trainer model, and also they look like training content is given, hands-on workshops are conducted. So this is how they train the local teams. Again, I'll just give an overview of rollout project. This is to replicate the global S4HANA template to local operations. And also it ensures the standardization of processes across the organization, and it have to adopt system for local businesses, like what the local legal things to follow and about the tax and what are the report need in that local operation. So we do these rollout projects to provide a faster and cost-effective deployment compared to a new implementation. And outcome of this rollout project is standardized global operations with local compliance. Hope this video helps you to understand rollout projects, and share if you see enough information about rollout projects to your friends, or one is looking to take their career in SAP S4 HANA. And the next video is about mergers, acquisition, and divestiture project. Thank you for watching.